Hi guys, welcome to my channel and my name is Ruchi Kumari and today we are gonna do a very interesting video which you guys have seemed to love, which is my tint collection. I have upgraded it with 2 more tints and I'm gonna review all of them together again for you guys, so stay tuned. But before I get started with the video, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, watch this video till the very end and give it a huge thumbs up if you like this video. Alright. Without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I have not applied anything on my lips and I have not applied on my cheeks. So guess what we are going to start with. So the 2 upgrades I have is the Water Fit Tint X from the Face Shop. This is their new launch. This was their old one, the watery tint. Okay, you can compare them side by side. This is a black one and this has a white cap. And yeah, this is a little pinkish in tone and this one is completely red. This is, I guess, Rose Garden. Yeah, the shade name is Rose Garden. And the next one which I have bought is from the company called Seri, I think so, I'm not too sure, but yeah, you can say that it's one of my favorite tint. I do not know, I'm in a dilemma. Actually, it's not so good, but again, it's really good. Okay, let me explain you how. This has 3.5 gram of product. The packaging looks like this. First I thought this is the actual tint, but then you open and this is how the product looks. I got it in the shade Peach Almond, which smells incredible, by the way. So this is more like a tinted lip balm, or more like a very high shine lip balm with a lot of tint. Not a lot also. So I'm going to show you how it looks on my lips. So it's very hydrating, by the way. Okay, you can say it has a very sheer coverage or no coverage at all, but it looks amazing. For some reason I really like it. I mean, I could have hated this product because I would be like, this any normal lip balm which is with a little bit of tint can do, but then I don't know. They also claim that it is a cheek tint, so I'm gonna apply it on my cheek and see. Okay, it looks so cute. See, it looks really good. It is really shiny. It gives a very healthy glow. So that's why I really like this product, you know. I don't know if I should be mad about it or not, but I seem to really like it because it does not claim that it is a lip balm and it claims that it is a tint. So I'm really happy because it's doing a job of a tint as well as a lip balm. Okay, the next one, of course, I come to Benetint. Costs around 1100 or 1600 for this much. So I'm just gonna apply and show you all on my lips. Let's wipe this off a little bit. It's so OMG, I dropped a lot of Benetint on my pant. I will simultaneously show you all a hand swatch, okay, just for comparison. So this is a hand swatch, okay, how it looks on hand. So this is how it looks, okay. You can see the amount of tint it has. Now I'll go with the Benetint and I will show you all on the lips as well as on cheeks as well as on my hands. So this one has a little more coverage than the Seri one, or Sari, I don't know what's the name, but you know what, it lasts very long for some reason, Benetint, and that's what I like. So the coverage is so natural and it lasts really long. Only thing that you can be mad about in Benetint is the price. That, you know, you get really less for whatever you're paying. You're getting 4.5 ml, sorry, 4 ml for around 1600, which is very pricey. So this is how Benetint looks on the hand. Next, coverage wise, comes the Dear Darling Etude House one. Okay, smells so fruity, so nice. Okay, Retails for 450, and this has a little medium coverage, more than Benetint. Okay, one very good thing about this, very hydrating. So if you're from dry skin type or you have dry lips, you can apply it, won't feel dry a lot. Then when you apply it on cheeks, it gives a really nice flush. Let me put it and show you all. So you can see this is a little more pigmented than the Benetint one, but extremely hydrating. Okay, extremely hydrating. I'll show you the hand swatch. This retails for 450 rupees and it contains 4.5 grams of product. And the packaging is a plus point from my side because it's super cute. Honestly, I'm seriously impressed with three packaging over here. One is the, of course, SERY Seri one, the Etude House one, and the next one that I'm gonna show. But for now, see the hand swatch. You can see the Benetint one is so watery that it has dried, like completely dried, whereas the Seri one is very, you know, this thing, it has a lot of shine, so it will look really good for winter season, which is going on right now, and this would go in any season according to me. Next one according to me is the Earth Rhythm tint, which is really good. Again, this formula is totally different from all the others, and I think this retails for 600 or 700 rupees. Not too sure. I'll put the links in the description box, you can check it for yourself. The formula is really moussey, very different from all the other tints, and you get around, I think you get again 5 ml or 6 ml of product because this looks really heavy. And you know, you can see the packaging, too luxurious for the price that you're paying, very heavy components. Okay, and I'll just show you the hand swatch first. Look at how pigmented it is. This is like one of the most different colors that I have bought. This is really pinkish, on the pinkish side. So I personally love this color because it looks so natural and so pretty. And one more good thing about Earth Rhythm, all natural components, no added fragrance, nothing. So this is really good. I want to show you the formula on cheek, that even if I apply directly from the wand and I keep it for I'll keep it for 10 seconds in front of you, and you know, still you will not get a patchy stain on your cheeks. You won't get a patchy stain on your cheeks because this is so creamy. So you just have to do this. This happens with me at the end of every tint video, that my cheeks are extremely red, but I think that's fine. See, it has completely blended into the skin even after leaving for 10 seconds because it has that creamy, nice formula. It contains a lot of oils, which is good for your skin. So yeah, that's why I love this formula. One of my favorites, hands down. Okay, next, coming on to the Face Shop ones. These are supremely pigmented, both of them, the new one and the old one as well, but I am going to show the new one first. The new one has less coverage than the old one. I love the packaging also, and the applicator as well. It's very well thought, I think so. The glass, the acrylic one, and then the brush. Again, I think these are for 500 rupees, which is again really good. So they look like this. You can see it's a very bright pink formula. Color. Then it is more darker, more on the coverage from the Earth Rhythm one. You can see all the hand swatches on my hand. And let's try applying it on my cheeks. Lips. Okay. Here we go. One thing I really forgot to mention, it smells amazing, like berries, you know. So you can do this Korean style just in your inside, or you can do a full swipe. So it looks really, really, really nice. And I love the current formula for this Face Shop one than the old formula. See, it's so watery and nice. I really like putting it on my cheeks as well. Let's try blending. See, I was talking about the patch, right? If you leave it for even 1 second more, you'll get these patches, which is very difficult to blend later on. That does not happen with the Earth Rhythm one. It blends into your skin really, really nicely. So that is one bad thing about the Face Shop one, that you do not have a lot of time to, you know, fix the problem if it's once on your face. So be careful. Take it on your fingertips and just work on your cheeks really fast. For me, it's a little late, but you can make it on time. So this is the one. Last but not the least, the Face Shop Watery Tint Old Formula. Okay, so this one was the watery tint and this is the water tint. Okay, I do not know what's the difference, but this is the old formula and this is the new formula. And this, I think both of them retail for the same price, 500 rupees, and both of them give 5 grams of product. Okay, although I like the recent packaging more and the recent formula more. So this is the thickest formula that I have come across. You can see the packaging and the doe foot applicator also very, very different. I'll show you. It's almost full coverage. You can see it's very, very full coverage. You do not have a lot of time to work with this particular formula. This is why I hate it and I love it. Although it's very much pigmented, but you look very nice when you wear this, especially when you're going out on day-to-day activities. And trust me when I say this, I wear it every single day on my cheeks. Every single day. I wear one of these every single day, but most of the times it is this Face Shop one that I wear on my cheeks. And I absolutely love it. You just need to know how to work around with this one, okay? And then it's a piece of cake. So these are all the hand swatches. You can see in the ascending order of their sheerness or the coverage. Okay, now let me apply it on my. Also very difficult to remove, the Face Shop ones. You see the pigmentation? Oh my god, I love how it looks. But honestly, I wear it, I'm not even kidding, I wear it more as a cheek tint than a lip tint. Okay, so my lips look really good right now because of all the tints. And let me show you on my cheeks. Okay, supremely pigmented and really hydrating in nature. I'll put a little bit on my nose as well so that you can see how pigmented it is. So honestly, looking like a clown, but I am fine with that because you all seem to love that. But please don't comment that, yeah, you should have taken this much amount or you should have taken that much amount. I know the exact amount of tint. I know how much to use, and I have been doing this from a long time, almost 2 years. So yeah, this is how it looks on your skin. It's just that I have applied too many, and if I keep on layering products over it, it might look bad. But I'm just recommending all these lip tints for you, whatever your preference is. These are the ones. If you want something hydrating as well, a sheer tint, you can go for the Seri one, or you can go for the Etude House one if you want more pigmentation. If you want a really natural flush throughout the day which will long last, you can go for the Benetint one. Very good again, but up on the pricier side. If you want something really hydrating which you can work with easily, Earth Rhythm is the one for you. And if you want supremely pigmented lip tints, then the Face Shop ones are for you. So So that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon if you haven't already. And that's all for this video. Bye bye. Don't call me a clown. I did this on purpose. Bye bye.